Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you the 5 English names of different vegetables. So, let's see. Number 1, green chili. Green chili. Green chili means kachamoris. Green chili means kachamoris. Number 2, dry red chili. Dry red chili. Dry red chili means shukna moris. Dry red chili means shukna moris. Number 3, onion. Onion. Onion means peyaj. Onion means peyaj. Number 4, garlic. Garlic. Garlic means roshun. Garlic means roshun. Number 5, cooking oil. Cooking oil. Cooking oil means রান্না করার তেল. রান্না করার তেল. Okay, viewers, keep learning and memorizing these names and waiting for the next video. In the next video, I will share more some English names of vegetables. Okay, bye.